In this video I'm going to show you how to add navigation to your Moodle course. Now you need to go to your course and make sure that editing is turned on, and we'll just scroll down your page. We're going to add a resource, and that resource is insert a label. Let's click on that, and the first thing that we're going to do is create a table. Now you would have drawn a diagram of what you want your navigation to look like. I'm going to insert a table. Now I'm just going to put in, say, 8 rows, and I'm just going to have 3 columns. Now I want it to go right across the page, so that's 100%, and I'm just going to set it to the left hand side. Now for my navigation, I don't want to see a line for my border, so I'm going to take that off, but I do want a little bit of padding for the cell so that everything isn't touching. So I'm just going to put a bit of space in there. Okay, and a bit there as well. Hit OK, and there it is. There's my invisible table. Now the idea is that my images will sit inside these cells. Now to make it easy to know where to put your images when we go to HTML, I'm just going to put some text prompts in there. So pick 2 and pick 3. Right, now we use these when we go to, I'll just go to full screen, the HTML source code. Right, and then I can find my text to insert my pictures. So there's pick 1, and I'll be able to insert it there. Now I'm going to show you how to upload your images into a folder on Moodle. So I'm just going to scroll down. I've still got editing turned on, and in the left hand side under administration you'll see files. So go there. Now what we're going to try and do is import a folder with all of your images in it. Alright, so what we're going to do is go to upload a file and search for that file. Now I'm just going to go over to my images. So I'll just go to my pictures, and here is the folder that I want to upload. Now to send all of them up at once, I need to compress this. So I'm just going to right click on my course icons, and I'm going to go send to, and I'm going to make a zipped folder. Right, and there it is there. It's called course icons, and I can import that folder into Moodle. Right, so I'm going to go browse and find that folder, and there it is there. Just double click, upload this folder, this file, and there it is. Right, it's a zipped folder, so I need to unzip it. And yes, that's fine, that's what I want to do. And now I have my course icons just sitting there, and they're all available for me to use. Okay, so that's the quick way. The last thing that we need to do is add our images, and it's fairly straightforward. Okay, we will enlarge the editor, and now we're not going to go into HTML here, but I've got these placeholders in there just in case you're getting fancy with some code. Alright, so I'm just going to click on the Insert Image button, and I've highlighted where I want that image to go. What I need to do is go to the folder that we've uploaded, right, and course icon, so it automatically goes to your files area, and I'm just going to select the image that I want put into that space. Okay, now we have to put in alternate text, so I'll just put blog on this one. I want it to sit in the middle of that cell, no borders, no spacing, and that's far too big for my icon, so I'll just make it 120 or 100 and hit OK. Alright, I could possibly even make it a bit bigger than that. So you can still adjust them if you want to. Alright, and then you just go through and work on your other images. The next thing that we need to do is add a link. Just to explain this a little bit better, I've gone to one of my courses, and by adding a link we're trying to achieve this. So here's my navigation, and when you click on a link it will open up a particular block. So I clicked on week 13 or block 13, and it only shows that. Now use the jump to button or drop down at the bottom of every page to choose the link that you want your image to go to. So I'll just go to email, and it will open the topic outline and just that week. Right, now I need the address, which is up here. Now you'll notice that it's got topic and equals 4, and if I go to another page it'll be topic equals 5, etc. So you're looking for that part of the address. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my page and edit. So I'll just make sure editing is turned on. Scroll down. Okay, there it is. So I need to hit edit, and I'm going to add that link. Okay. I'm just going to paste it in. Now the last thing that you need to know is that we don't want it opening in a separate window. Right, so we want it to open in the same window so that we're not navigating from tab to tab, page to page. And hit save. Scroll down, and that link should be working. So I'll just click on that, and there it is. It's taken me to that particular block.